Hey guys, I'm back. It's a new day. I haven't been on the van lately. A few days, 3 days, 4 days, something like that. I have been busy with other stuff. We've been working on my dad's bus quite a bit. He is taking a trip, and so he wants to get it to a certain point for that trip. I'll put a little footage in on what we're doing on that. I'll throw that in right now. Put some floors in. This had some leaks in the windows, so all the windows were removed out of this van. He had this van repainted because it was black, and black is way too hot for a camper, so he painted it white. Fixed all the leaks in the windows, reinstalled those. The floors had some rot from the windows leaking. You probably saw in one of my videos, where I was doing that rubber undercoating on the plywood. OSB board, is that right? Yeah. And then installed that facing down so it doesn't get moisture from underneath. And then there's 1/2 inch of this foam insulation with the backing, and then this is 1/2 inch finished birch plywood for his floor. That we've been working on that, and then also getting it all insulated, as you can see. Some of this is kind of temporary, but just getting started on it. We'll get a little more detailed than that in the future. Right now we're taking some measurements. It's got solar panels that are going on the roof. We're not doing that today, but we do need to figure out where his vent is going to lie. We're going to install one of those roof vents, like a Fantastic fan, or I forget exactly, because it's getting warm and he's taking this on a trip and he's going to want some airflow in here. I think, let's see what else. I think we're going to work on a little bit of the electrical, just kind of do a basic get it work kind of setup, temporary. Yeah, just so he can utilize this thing for his first camping trip. It's obviously nowhere near done. So that's one thing, that's what I've been working on quite a bit. I'll stop rambling. We'll see you soon. Okay, so you saw there what we were working on all that stuff. So also this weekend I hung out with my niece and my nephew and my sister and some of the neighbor kids, and we all loaded up in the orange pumpkin and went down, up. We went north up to this circle track, and they had kind of a, oh, there's the air conditioner. And we went down to a circle track locally, and we watched like this monster truck kind of show, and then all these rednecks and these beat up cars doing this crazy racing and stuff. It was pretty fun. I'll throw a little footage of that in right about here. Caden, what are we doing?
He's too tired.
You guys sound so excited. Here they come now! And that'll get you caught up for the last few days. Let me remeasure just to make sure before you start drilling holes and fucking it up. I already got 2 holes. Okay, well, I guess we're committed. All right, hole in the roof. Oh shit, wrong place. Bit fell out. I see that. I think I found your leak. It's here. Drilled holes from the inside here. This is where we're going to put the vent. I'm going to climb up on the roof and try not to kill myself. I'll go up there with a straight edge, then I'll mark the lines between the holes, and then get up there with a jigsaw and cut that out and see what happens. Okay, time to cut a hole. Go from hole to hole. There is a beam inside across here, a piece of square tubing that I need to cut out. So I might need to take the Sawzall and cut that. Kind of overshot that a little bit. This jigsaw is really hard to use left-handed. Thank you. Okay, so I got it cut. Just have these inside. There's a, like I said, a piece of square tubing across here we got to cut out. I didn't miss it.
Look at that line.
Here?
Oh,
Where?
look
This?
at the line, yeah.
Oh, I went inside the drill hole so I have room to fudge it. I didn't go to the very edge of the drill holes in case I screw up.
Oh, you always go to the end.
No, I went from like basically either the inside or the center of the drill hole. Huh?
I made it a ½ inch bigger, so it'll probably fit. Let's cut that center out.
Okay. You can cut it from here because I can see where to cut it.
Cut it twice and it's too small. Oh, geez, on my new floor.
Shit. Sorry. I'll put a scratch in it.
Scratch, there's a dent in it.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh well, fire
I
on.
tried to grab it.
No fitty.
It just needs to be trimmed. Okay.
Pretty thick steel, huh?
Yeah, it is. It's pretty thick wall. Surprising. Yeah, see, there's your holes.
Yeah, I lined up to the outside. That's
Well.
a ½ inch, that's an inch difference.
Well, I lined up to the inside. Nobody told me nothing. Stop shaking the bus. Oh, what are those for? Oh, for this? Okay. So here we got the, oh, there's the wind. Perfect. There goes my audio. Come on, stop. I'm trying to shoot. Okay, so we cut a hole in the roof. See, there's a hole. And we put this mount. And then the fan goes into these screws here, so, or the vent. So we're gonna do that now. Yeah, bring it out and I'll probably need that screw gun I handed you. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna fit that way. I think you need to hand it from the outside. Okay, I got the stupid thing in. This screw missed and then stripped. And these screws this thing's come with, I like this fan, but these screws are fucking garbage. Don't use them. Hello, guys. It's a new day. New day, new dollar. Something like that. I haven't been working on the van much lately. I have been busy working on my dad's van and stuff, getting that ready. He left yesterday for a trip, and so we were pushing hard to get that thing to a point where he could use it for that trip. So I'm back on mine today. I'm just gonna do what I always do, clean. So I left off, and I showed you I cut all this foam, and there's the Cheeto turds. So we're gonna vacuum this up. I'm actually gonna move the van forward, and I think I'm gonna take a couple thumbnail pictures for the van so they look a little better. So I'm gonna work on that right now. We'll see if we can get 1 or 2 things crossed off the big long list. Sometimes I get moving and I forget to film what the hell I'm doing. So I had those bricks up on there when I was doing the spray foam in the beams just to hold the fiberglass down. I'm gonna move the van, and I realized I probably don't want those bricks up there in case they move. I don't want them to fall over and poke another hole in my roof. I've already got enough holes I made in the roof. Let's move this thing. Okay guys, so I just moved the van, and what I'm doing today is I want to try and get out of the sun a little bit. It is warm today. I want to try and get a good thumbnail of this van. I'm trying to make my videos a little better, just kind of make it more appealing for people to click on, and then potentially help more people figure out how to do this. It's kind of become the focus. Yeah, so I moved it over here. I think I'm going to take a shot, something like this. Probably should mow the lawn, but then I won't have any distractions, you know, and it'll be a nice clean shot of the van. By the time this video comes out, you'll probably already have seen that, because the thumbnail will come out before this video does. But that's what I'm gonna work on right now. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You funny cat. What the hell is that? Is that a groundhog? What is that thing?